Today I'll be unboxing the Disney Loungefly Christmas Tree Mystery Pins. These were released in October of 2023 and are available at Box Lunch for $15.90 per box. And I think there might be 2 pins in each box. So the pin designs of these ones are Christmas trees themed to various Disney movies. So you have a themed Christmas tree and a themed star on top. But if you look at the designs here, it looks like the star on top is quite a bit above the Christmas tree. Like there's a gap there, almost suggesting that these are 2 separate pins. So a Christmas tree pin and a tiny star pin. That would explain why these are $15.90 instead of the usual $10.90 of most Loungefly mystery pins. So this is a 6-pin collection, and the pin designs that we can get are Aristocats, Alice in Wonderland, Peter Pan, Dumbo, 101 Dalmatians, and Pinocchio. So let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 6 boxes here to open up, which is 6 pins total. I am hoping to get Peter Pan and Pinocchio. Those are the 2 I want the most here, but it would be nice to get all 6 of them. And I'm really curious to see if these are in fact 2 pins. There's got to be some reason why they're $15.90, because that's quite a bit more than the usual $10.90. And sometimes the ones like the locket pins are more money because it's kind of 2 pins that open up. So we're gonna find out right now. Let's see. Do I have 2 pins? Oh, I do have 2 pins. 2 pins fell out into my hand, and this one is Peter Pan. It's starting off good. So we have the Peter Pan themed Christmas tree that has, you know, the Jolly Roger on there, the flag, compass, things like that. And then we've got a little star, which is a Peter Pan color star with Peter Pan's hat. So we have 2 little pins. So that goes on top. Very cool. Okay, now that makes more sense. When these first came out and I was like, ooh, Christmas pins, I'm gonna get them. Then I saw $15.90 per box. I didn't get them. So then I waited and I'm like, okay, well, then I had a good coupon or something, or box lunch money, and then I got them. And now, yeah, that they're 2 pins, that at least makes sense. Okay, let's see. See the bottom of a tree? It is different. It is Alice in Wonderland. So we have the Alice in Wonderland tree. I see the Mad Hatter's hat. I see a clock, the potion bottle, a teacup, and then the star on the top is Alice's, it looks like Alice's hair in the bow that's in her hair. So that is pretty cool. And now I can move the stars around. I can put Alice's star on top of Peter Pan. Okay, so we've got 2 of them. Get the 3rd one here. This one is completely backwards in my hand, so I can't see. So let's flip the tree around. I see a dog bone and a collar, and it is 101 Dalmatians. So we have like I said, a dog bone, a collar. There's a TV and a dog bowl, and the star is the Dalmatian print star. Nice. Okay, whoa. These are little tiny pins. Well, the star is anyway. This one will not stay up. So we're just gonna leave him backwards. That's okay. All right. Number 4. What do we have? We have, that looks familiar. Oh, they're already both out. This is another Peter Pan. I saw a pirate ship there. That looks familiar. So we have 2 Peter Pan trees. So now we cannot complete the collection in this unboxing. Okay, 2 more pins to go here. Let's see what we get for pin 5. It's both backwards. Flip the tree around. And, ooh, I think that's different. This might be Dumbo. It is Dumbo. Like how I need the star to figure it out. So we have the Dumbo tree that has, I see the circus ball, I see, is that Timothy's hat? And then over here we have the star looks like Dumbo and Dumbo's hat. Nice. Okay, so we got 4 of the Christmas trees so far. Got our last box here. Are we gonna stop at 4 or are we gonna make it 5? Let's see. Okay, flip the tree around. Oh, no, I think this is new. It is, it's Pinocchio! All right. This is the other one I wanted. So we have the Pinocchio tree, and I see a cuckoo clock, and I can't really tell what that is. That's a, that instrument, I can't think of the name of it. The accordion, the thing that you go back and forth. And then the star on this one is awesome. This one is, the star is made of wood, and it has Pinocchio's hat. Very shiny star. The other one's that shiny too? Maybe so. So I got 5 out of the 6. I like that. That's good. Super awesome pins. I love the fact that it's 2 different pins, and the star is such a little tiny pin. So cool. So those were the Disney Loungefly Christmas Tree Mystery Pins. Which one was your favorite out of these 5? My favorite, it was close, but my favorite is Peter Pan. As I said in another video, when you put a pirate ship on a pin, that's probably going to be my favorite, and that is the case here again. So the Peter Pan one, I like how it's got the Jolly Roger, it has Captain Hook's hook on it, and the Skull Rock. Love that one. But it was followed closely by Pinocchio because I really love the way the star looks. It has that wood grain in it, so it looks like it's a wooden star. So that one was pretty cool too. I love these pins, these are great. So this was a great unboxing for me, getting 5 out of the 6. I mean, I opened up 6 boxes and only got 1 double, so that is really good. So 5 out of 6, so the only one I'm missing is Aristocats. So that's the Aristocat tree, and then the star is themed to Marie. So that's the one I wasn't able to show you today. But I do have 2 more boxes of these that I'll be doing a short video for, so be sure to keep your eye out for that, because maybe I'll get Aristocats. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.